coming up. Hi, Misty. Oh, are you giving me hugs, Adriana? That's so cute. Hi, Roma. Roma, we're just looking at your booty. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. Oh, dear. Roma's hitting my hand. Good morning. Hi, everyone. Jerry here says good morning. And Kenny says good morning. And Misty, oops. Whoa, sorry, Adriana just hit the screen. Hopefully everything's still okay. I'm using the new streaming software thing for the first time. Hi, Jerry. Oh, Jerry wants to be a lap cat with Adriana. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Misty. Misty's meowing for some lovin'.